Hi boys and girls, welcome to another video, and this is part 2 of the key cooking. I was trying to record another one, but I didn't have enough storage. Sorry about that. I'm so sorry for that. So I'm just getting a little bit. I'm just good. Yeah, I did rebirth, and I just know these. So this is all. Oh yeah, I did unlock this. I finished this. Okay, so I was talking about that I had to cut. I was gonna cut until I had enough paper and stuff. Okay, so let's review that. I have 8 squids in my inventory. My base is just squid. Yeah, and yeah, I'm gonna go change my settings so I can actually talk in chat. I'll see you after I finish with that. See you then. Okay, so everyone I couldn't find. So you don't think, yeah, you're not able to chat. I don't think they removed it. I don't know. Hey, I have enough money. Goodbye. Oh my god. Oh no. Oh my god. I am cooked. That was 11. Not to make any, like, Stranger Things quotes. I have all of these pictures. Come on. I know it's just the paper. I'm just saying it's hard to get. So, if you guys start lagging, tell me, like, oh no, if you don't like all these numbers on the screen, I'll try doing like, or I just won't do autocorrect. I'm just doing autocorrect because I'm about to take a quick nap. Okay. So, have y'all ever had that time at the top of your mouth to start stage? And if you try to ever scratch it, it just becomes more urgent. Just a random thought. Sorry. No, I'm not starting to like a squid. Okay, squid. Like, if you don't like all these numbers, if you want me to like stop playing this in, if you want me to start playing anything, I'll try. Yeah, if y'all dare not change my name, upgrades and the money. Like, so most important. Sewing keycaps. Yeah, it is, but like, yeah, it's actually really important. Not really, but like, if you need inventory, you know, like, if you can't see anything, your inventory is just full. That, whoa. Oh, 14 months ago. We need money now. So, let's go. How long is this video? Like 5-6 minutes. And this. She got a parrot. What? I didn't even see it. Nice. Well, hold on. I'm gonna screw it on. And a lot of it now is 17. Oh no. Okay, I'm gonna go AFK. Right here. Oh my god. They can't prove you're not being. They're not serious, right? They're serious. Oh my god, oh my god. This is so. That would never happen. I'm gonna go AFK. That is so good. If you guys play this game and you want to play with me, my username is Bubba_X7. Just so you know, if you do want to play with me, add me, friend you. That's it. Wait, there's settings. Oh yeah, so here you go. So no, yeah, I won't be seeing how it's yet. Right, right here, right. That was good. And go back to back. Cool. I was on video too. I'm gonna go to bed soon. Yeah, now I'm gonna go AFK. See you in my. When I see, I don't want to wait. So right now it's 10:39. See you at 11. Ooh. Okay, everyone. Well, it's 10:54 and Reaver. Yes, I think I made a Reaver, but it took like 10 minutes. Wait, what? I guess I didn't even see that it got another Squidvarium. Hey, that was funny. Well, here we meet again. All my guys into this. Wait, I maxed this out. I'm gonna be maxing out the bigger collect radius today. There you go. Delete. So, come on! Gotta go. Gotta go. Gotta go. Bye. Go tonight. Oh, that is a whole lot of squid. That is a whole lot. So, please. I am still tired. I shall do one thing and one thing. My giveaway is actually this way. I know y'all have been waiting days, but the giveaway will be every these words. These words. This word. This squid. And even this squid. And the cat. The gold. Everything I own. But only if you play hide and seek. Oh yeah, see? Because Adam's running hide and seek, I guess. Well, whatever, you know what I mean. I'm not trying to be like anything, I'm just trying to play. Okay. Well. This is actually the end of the video. I'm gonna go to bed. So, bye bye. Bye bye.